Infant rolling is all about tuning in with your core musculature. Take your arms and legs out of the movement, save for the one arm that's going to be reaching for the imaginary bottle or stuffed toy. And like a child, we're going to use our core muscles only to roll from back onto our stomach. Exhale with each push, and you'll really feel your core light up. Moving from your back, or rather moving from your stomach back onto your back, you'll feel those back muscles light up. Most people will find that one side or one direction is much, much harder to move than the other, and that's natural. Spend time with it, be honest, and keep those legs out of the movement.